to call you a stranger, but all I did was switch lanes. They keep telling me that I changed up. Say I had to go find my own lane, bruh. She said,
yo, welcome back to King Garage. And today, as you can see, pulled the Malibu out, and the goddamn cable keep coming out. But guess who came to the rescue? Yeah, Black Knight. Black Knight came to the rescue. We just riding, just cruising, so happy. I said, fuck it, might as well go and shoot a video. I'm on the side of the road now, but don't get it twisted. She ain't no slouch now. Only thing about it, I gotta take these wheels off because she rubbing bad as hell when I get into it. Anybody want smoke? You come on, get you some smoke.
Shows with my A1s, track game, shout out Team Faded and them hearted boys, them my day ones. I salute who been down with me, middle fingers if you frowned at me. Back then they hated that I did music, now they saying that they proud of me. Running up, trying to give me hugs, turn around.
A wrench or something? Slide the bracket for a little bit. Damn, I ain't got nothing either.
Where was you when I was in the corner sitting by myself trying to make beats?
So we got them.
Now I'm posted with your role model.
Straighten it out. They keep popping out every time I get into it. It shouldn't come back out long, just snatch into it.
You slide this bracket right here up a little bit, and it'll, because when you pull it back, it won't loop over. This motherfucker hurt something. She'll hold up.
It'll hold off as long as I keep my foot out the door.
Yeah.
But it got the power. It'd be hard to do that. Been riding for about an hour now. Temp still at 206 or 208. Really ain't moving too much, so she riding good.
They love to call you a stranger, but all I did was switch lanes. They keep telling me that I changed up. Say I had to go find my own lane, bruh. She said, why you don't act the same, love? All this money just made me a stranger. They keep telling me that I changed up. Say I had to go find